Working in a modern world, we want to be using modern solutions. We expect the products that we use to be easy to understand, easy to onboard new people, and very intuitive. And that has been our experience with Ramp. I'm Ivan, and I lead the finance team here at Webflow. As a finance leader, what's important to me is easy search, visibility, and deep analysis.
Ramp has given our employees the ability to spend as they need and get their work done, but still allowing us to have the visibility that we need, and that builds mutual trust.
We're a global team, so it's really important for us to be able to issue cards to team members all over the world, and Ramp allows us to do that. One of the great things with Ramp was that we constantly had new people, not just in finance, but across all teams. And so for us, it was crucial that we work with a platform that had a very easy solution to onboard new teams, to issue cards, and do all the many things you do, but do it fast and also in a remote-first environment.
I've heard a lot of positive feedback from new team members about their experience onboarding with Ramp. They're invited to the platform, and in that same day, they get a card and they're able to start their work.
It is one of those key tools we give them that they feel like they belong to the team right off the bat. Before Ramp, we were another platform in combination with a lot of spreadsheets. With Ramp, we were able to eliminate all of the spreadsheets.
It was very difficult to code our credit card transactions. We had to manually upload them through CSVs, code them. It was quite time consuming. We've saved 75% of our time on the credit card reconciliation process.
Our job is to get things done, but we also want to get them done creatively. We want to get more time in our lives. We want to do things better. So Ramp isn't just solving corporate spend for us. It has been a product that unified a lot of the other problems and solutions that we're dealing with in finance on a day-to-day basis.
So I think one great feature about Ramp is the fact it sends us information on duplicate spend or lower cost-saving opportunities with particular vendors. It alerts us to the fact that we have two people paying for the same service, or that perhaps there'd be a lower price available elsewhere. So our team in procurement and IT can take action on those suggestions, reach out to our vendors, and hopefully lower our price. Automating recurring tasks means that my team can spend time on other areas that are more strategic and higher priority to the business than doing manual tasks.
When you're a growing business and growing company, you need to be scaling with products that can scale with you. With Ramp, we're able to see that as we evolve, the product also continues to evolve and serves the needs of a bigger company.